Hello, good evening. Back for another box break. This is for again myself. This is Apex Soccer. I believe this is the 2016 version. 2 autographs, 1 mem. So let's see what I've got. There should also be some numbered cards hidden inside. Follows the same configuration as Topps Showcase. So basically you have 1 master box making up 2 mini boxes. Alright. Of course, chances of hitting a big name isn't very high, but there are more big name autos in the 2016 product than the 2015 product. So hopefully, let's see if my luck would change when it comes to pulling big ones out of this product. So basically, as you can see, it's just one pack of 32 cards. And something worthy to mention is the memorabilia cards are very thick, almost as thick as, well, it's not as thick as the brick cards that you get in Black Gold, but has to be right up there among the top 3. Okay, let's do this without further ado. Hopefully I can get to complete the base card set. This will be my second box of this product, so let's go. Tim Howard. There we go, Didier Drogba, Montreal Impact. Shuttleworth, numbered card, 8 of 99. And this will be the global, I think the word is eminence, insert another, so 3 at one succession. And this will be the first autograph hit, I think. Diego Fagundes. Pretty ordinary looking signature. This is Diego Fagundes of New England Revolution. Is it numbered? Not quite. So full of a big hit autograph in the other mini box later on. Well, will be a long shot, but we can always hope. So there we go. Rest of the cards is finished up. Oh, nice, Andrea Pirlo. I don't think I've got his base card in my previous box, so this will be a good addition. Dos Santos, Nagbe. His autograph is featured in the Select Soccer 2016 and Black Gold. Yes, Giovinco. His autograph is also part of the checklist in this product. And David Villa. So quite a few heavyweight names in the base card set. A little disappointing with the autograph though. Now this pack seems a little heavier than the previous one, so the mem card should be inside here. Alright, let's go. Jermaine Jones. Yeah, this should be the memorabilia card. This is of Alvaro Saborio. Crash Jumper relic card. Very boring looking white patch. 27 of 89. Alvaro Saborio of DC United. Okay. Very thick looking card. Okay, and followed by a numbered card, Matt Besler. Numbered 88 of 99. And then you have your 3 inserts, you have your Galazzo, and this will be the autograph. Another disappointing hit, Will Trapp. Well, nice auto though. Again, 88 of 99. You're most likely going to get lesser known names in terms of autograph in this product. You only hope that, well, they would go on to Europe to make a name for themselves. That is if they're still young. Let's finish up Altidore, Bradley Wright Phillips, Stevie G. I believe I've got his base card already, so this will be a duplicate. Nice. Betzler again, Shuttleworth, Greta, Beckerman, and this will be a promo. Alright, so that concludes this box break. Pretty average looking box. So I'll see you later for a new product. At least for me, it's a new Contenders Basketball Draft Picks 16-17. Alright, see you later.